First, we tested this vacuum on carpets and rugs. It is called the Hoover Rewind because it has automatic cord rewind. When the cord is pulled out, you push on the gray plastic tab to wind up the cord automatically. For our first test, we put flour on the carpet to show how it sucks up dust. It cleaned this up, except it couldn't get the edges clean. It sucked up the pet hair easily. We also crushed up a bunch of goldfish crackers to see how it could handle larger particles, and it performed well in this test too. For hard floors, we tossed flour down again. It cleaned up the flour nicely on the open area, but once again didn't get the edge of the floor clean. For larger particles, it tended to blow them away from this vacuum instead of sucking them all up. This is because you can't turn off the brush bar. The onboard tools all sit nicely on the vacuum. The crevice tool works well on the floor. You can use the 12-inch extension wand too, but the vacuum only has an 8-foot reach. The air-powered brush bar is great for cleaning carpeted stairs. It's quite powerful. It cleaned up the flour on the upholstery with ease. This vacuum is pretty loud at just over 80 decibels on both carpeting and hard flooring. The filtration system is excellent. The laser particle scanner showed no dust escaping. The suction power on the Hoover Rewind is above average too, at over 90 inches of water lift. Empty the dustbin often, or else dust and hair can get wrapped around in there. We had to reach into the vacuum to get some of it out. There are 2 filters on this vacuum. The lower one should just be tapped out, but the upper filter needs to be rinsed off in water. First, we tested this vacuum on carpets and rugs. It is called the Hoover Rewind because it has automatic cord rewind. When the cord is pulled out, you push on the gray plastic tab to wind up the cord automatically.